Hi, this is Omaha Chiropractor Dr. Christine Zorad. This case study that I'm presenting today is titled Chiropractic Adjustments versus Self-Manipulation of the Spine. In April 22nd of 2015, in the Annals of Vertebral Subluxation Research, there is a study that is talking about a 17-year-old boy who was self-manipulating after he got a sports injury. This is an important study, so there's a link below the video. Please click on that. If you have questions, I'm available at 402-210-8490. I'm here to help you. This subject comes up in the office quite often, especially with new patients, and a lot of people do put their backs and necks through ranges of motion in order to get some self-manipulation pops and cracks and noises. They say it helps them to feel better. My explanation is that if you have vertebrae that actually are not mobile, that they're not moving, doing the self-manipulation is not going to loosen those particular areas, and what it does is it tends to destabilize the areas above and below the areas that are not moving and makes them looser. So in fact, you can be doing some damage. The pop that you hear is a gas that's released from the joint, and that offers about 20 minutes of some endorphins, but it's very short-lived. Then you find yourself back where you were before, wanting to do it again and thinking that you're helping yourself. But once you start under care and you start getting things moving in the way they're supposed to and getting the nerve system balanced, you lose the desire to do the self-manipulation. It happens all the time. So if you're doing it, stop and go see a chiropractor. If you're watching this on YouTube, please subscribe to my channel. See this on Facebook, like my page. On Google+, add me to your circle. If you go to my website, I have a form to fill out where you can get messages directly to your inbox. Again, Omaha Chiropractor, Dr. Christine Zorad. I look forward to working with you soon.